Hi, I'm back with another interesting video. Today's topic is the floss rule. Um, what is floss rule first? At the end of a one syllable short vowel word, double the consonants F, L, S, and Z. So, what is one syllable word? One syllable word is a word that makes a single sound, and some words have one unit of sound which makes they have one syllable. For example, water. If you take water, it is a two syllable word. Water. There are two vowels, a and e. It is a two syllable word. If you take cat, dog, bus, these are one syllable words. If you observe clearly, we or we are actually uninterrupted by the sound, because cat, no interruption, right? If you say water, there are two breaks actually, water. So at the end of a one syllable short vowel word, again short vowel, a, e, I, o, u, these are called short vowels. There are again long vowels, five vowels are there. But at the end of a one syllable short vowel word, we need to double these consonants F, L, S, and Z. The example words here I have mentioned: puff, stuff, off, cliff, fluff, all, still, full, pill, floss, just, bless, boss, pause, buzz, fuzz, fizz, judge. I hope this will be helpful to your kids